Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share you how can you use the credit limit adjustment, right? That feature is also have a workflow, so you can approve it. But if we go on a customer, there is a section credit and collection, and there is a field for credit limit, and this field is editable. If you are system administrator or if you have a role of a manager in account receivable, you can still modify this field. But the problem with this feature that anyone with that role can modify, we have no record that who modified it. So for this we have to restrict this field either with the help of modification of a privilege inside the account receivable manager role, or either we do some customization X++ with and this field can be restricted. Instead we are going to use credit limit adjustment feature in the credit and collection module. Instead that I am going to credit and collection module, and here is credit limit management workflow. There is a feature for credit limit adjustment workflow, so we can configure the complete workflow. I'm not going to that detail. Instead I'm going to create a journal, and when I post it, and the value will be updated, credit limit will be updated. So instead that for a long process I am going to credit limit adjustment, and this is the complete adjustment journal feature. So I'm going to create a new, and it's a credit limit. I said approval, right? Prove the credit limit, and in a line level I am going to add the customer and its new value. So I am selecting here US 002, and its credit limit is this, right? I'm copy this and new credit limit and update this value to 7, and expiration date I am selecting for 2026, right? 1 year, and save, and then I post this journal. So credit limit is it posted, and we can still here filter that which customer credit limit posted or not posted. I did not use the approval status, so we can use that. If I go on a customer, back to account receivable, customer, and go into US 002, and you can see the credit limit is updated, and here is the expiry date, and here is the credit limit change date. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.